As we will discuss about different ChatGPT jobs or different ways you can make money with ChatGPT. So one of them is content writing SEO friendly. Don't worry about this one because in this class just I will provide overview. In later chapter I will discuss practically how you can make money with ChatGPT. So content writing is a skill. You can write content that should be SEO friendly. So when you start a blog, when you create a blog, you need to upload content that should be SEO friendly or user friendly also. So it takes some time to learn how you can write a content properly that should be SEO friendly. Sometimes it will become difficult when you don't know about any topic and you need to write about that topic. So in this case, ChatGPT will help to generate content for your topic, so it will be SEO friendly. So another one is a finding SEO keywords. So different tools that are paid free that used to suggest or take help from that to find different keywords about different topics. So one of them is a Google keyword planner keywords. So many tools available in the market you can use to find different SEO keywords. So another is a ChatGPT also help to find different SEO keywords. So using this technique, using SEO keywords for other, you can make money. Another one is a translation. You can translate any paragraph, any sentence, any complete book to another language using ChatGPT. So using translation, you can also make money. Another one is a script writer or code writer. So programming language is a backend of any digital system. So you can write any code. So if you have a basic fundamental information or concept of programming, you can generate different types of code. You can get more help from ChatGPT. So ChatGPT will help you in every field of the life. So these are different topics you can target to make money from ChatGPT. So in a later chapter, I will discuss practically a comprehensive way, in briefly way, how you can make money with ChatGPT along different topics. So if you have any confusion, any problem while learning with us, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.